Hi, Jakaya.
Yeah, I taught her how to do her legs. Push, Jakaya, push your legs. Up, push.
Am I just sorry I set the phone down?
That's bad. I don't want to eat my bread because I'm going to be full. I'm going to eat my meat and cheese now.
You like those? Aren't those good? Those little baguettes?
I'm going to be really full. So that goes over there. All this
They have those at Freddy's. And they're only like $4 for one.
What?
Those sandwiches are only $4 for one. And usually me and Rico will just split one.
We're going to be on there talking and everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, I almost got some dessert. I'm glad I didn't.
It's probably going to take me crunching these chips up.
Those are pretty good, huh?
I need more.
Yeah, there's a little bit.
I just need to stay.
Little crumbs.
And that concludes Regan pushing the girls at Point Defiance. And cut.